What's sippin', homies? Man, we got a special one, man.
I'm excited.
Much love to Ice Images. I'm gonna go ahead
you.
and drop all her info right here. She sent us a package from the UK.
Excited.
Much love to you, Louise. And if this is the first time you're checking out our little channel, please like, subscribe, do all that stuff that YouTube people say. We're gonna get this bad boy going. And I just love the box, just in general. It says freshly sealed. It do look like a candy cane, like it's gonna be holding lots of treats and everything. And it came in the royal mail, so we're pretty amped up. It's still super sealed. We have no idea what is in it because it's still sealed. So let's open this bad boy up. That's one side cut. Let's see what the best way of doing this one is.
I don't know why this box is like really satisfying to me.
It is a very satisfying box. Oh, here we go. Right here. Mess around. There we go. Yeah. Whoa. Man, I'm gonna show y'all. Yeah, I really do love this box. I don't want to even mess this box up, but
just to keep it.
But love it, even from the get-go. What's to say? Oh, forgot to put that side. My fault, guys. My fault, fam. Oop. But even before we get in there, just the box right there. Y'all see what it says? It said that felt good, didn't it?
It did feel good.
It most certainly did feel good. OMG. So here it is, my friends. A whole.
It's so nicely packaged.
This is very.
Wait, you know what's crazy? The last time this was touched was in the UK.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
It's like I'm touching.
Oh my god,
UK.
I've always wanted to try those.
Yeah, see, and I figured, so I'm gonna take a picture of this so I can put it on the gram. But thank you, Louise. Oh my goodness. All right.
Where do we start? Okay, let's start with these.
Okay, let's go with those.
Okay. Oh, there's a little note.
There is a little note.
I've always wanted to try these. I saw like Nora Smith like eat these one time. Oh my god. Okay, so apparently it's like the wafer and the inside's like a powder or something.
That's crazy. That actually looks pretty fresh. So we'll probably, I don't know. We don't want to open all of them because we don't want it to go stale. But
oh no.
Look at this, a greeting card in here. So I don't know exactly what the greeting card, but the one thing I will tell you about the greeting card is that Louise makes these on her channel, so you guys need to definitely make sure you guys watch her stuff. She makes these things live, and it's always a good time. So the good thing about Squish having to go to cross country at 6 in the morning is I get to check out Louise's live streams from time to time. So let me go ahead and see what we got in here. Look at this. Wishing, and look at this. This is a custom card.
She made this?
Yeah, she makes this. Says wishing you the best. So
how does one even make this? Is so cool.
I'm telling you, look at this. Look at that. Dude, that is super amazing. Look.
Oh my god.
That's so cool.
I love it.
So she did write us a note, but again, I'm gonna go ahead and read this just for us, so we have something just for us. But thank you. But we will check that out a little bit later on. But here we got.
We'll take turns.
So we'll take one. And from the get-go.
Fig bars?
They're fig rolls.
He loves fig bars.
I love.
I'm very picky with fig bars. I feel like certain ones that I
love it. In fact, let me put the camera down a little bit so that y'all can actually
get a little view.
Get a view of
I feel like I'm opening those like snack mystery packs and like it's sugar.
Yeah. So as we open these up, we'll probably be doing some shorts off of it, but I love fig. So I'm amped up. I'm amped up to actually get
Okay,
this.
my turn. I'm doing a little blind. I don't know what I'm grabbing.
Ooh.
Okay. Wait. Okay. Okay, I love Cadbury. Like what's it? Cadbury.
The cream eggs?
The eggs are so good. What is this is Biscoff.
That's crazy. That is crazy. I know.
I'm so excited. Okay.
Yeah, no. And then we'll pick a couple of them to open again.
For sure.
Yeah, for sure. We'll probably give that one a crack. But yeah, we don't want to open all of them because again, we won't be able to eat all of it. But you know, we'll pick a couple.
I don't want to open it. I want to like keep it.
All right. So from the get-go, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna get.
What are these chips?
Hula hoops.
I saw these too on TikTok. I've always wanted to try hula hoops.
Cheese and onions. So,
I've always wanted to try hula hoops.
Yeah, I'm pretty amped up. That should be a good one. All right.
grab like, okay, well like, let's get another hula hoop. Salt and vinegar hula hoops.
Oh, that one's screaming. That one's got Amy vibes like all over it.
I love
for
salt
sure.
and vinegar.
All right, we're gonna go this one. Monster Munch. So are they related to Lay's? It says Walkers because Lay's is the one. So again, if you guys are just kind of skipping around the video and you're wondering what the hell are they doing, this is an opening from the UK. It's a care package we got from our friend out in the UK. So Monster Munch.
I feel like,
Pickled onion.
oh my god, I'm so excited.
That's
Wait, maybe this is like,
I don't know.
Walkers
I don't know
is
if it's
British,
like a yeah.
UK.
I don't know if it's like a because it has like the Lay's, so our Lay's.
Yeah.
So but pretty amped up.
Okay, well I'm looking at these, so I kind of want to look at. Oh, I want to look at these. Ooh, they're like shortbread cookies.
Oh my
Ooh,
goodness.
Like coffee will be
Ooh,
good.
cafecito.
I love shortbread too. Like,
Oh, yeah.
I'm actually getting all the stuff I really like.
Yeah, that's actually pretty crazy. Now, I just saw these and I just
What are
wanted to
those?
read it. So they're not just cheesy; they're really cheesy.
Let me see.
Watsits?
Wait.
Watsits baked?
What's it? Woosit?
So these are like
What's
our
it?
cheese puffs that we have over here.
They're
So
like Cheeto Puffs.
yeah, so again another banger because I could already I'm doing this like I could smell it through the package. I can't.
Broken nuts.
But either ways, it'll be a banger, I guarantee.
Wow, I think there's like little things around here, like these like little like candy things.
Are they toffee? Oh my goodness.
Oh, I think I broke it. It's really
Oh.
soft. Maybe like chocolate.
Oh snap.
I think I broke it.
Oh well.
Feel it. It's
Well,
like-
you know what?
broke it.
Since it's already broken,
Let's try it.
let's go ahead and give this.
Well,
back.
some of them are like harder than the others.
Yeah. So let's see what this are. Ooh. Oh, it is chocolate.
Is it like a mint?
It's like a little nougat.
It looks like a mint. Wait, I don't have any.
All right, go ahead.
It's like a.
Oh,
It's like an
the-
Andes, like an.
It is. Oh my god, that is sweet.
I love mint.
Oh my god, that.
That's really good. There's another one too.
Man, Louise, you hooked us up, girl.
I need to go to the UK now. There's more.
So there's just a bunch of different ones. So, man. Oh my god, I can't wait to eat these.
I'm so excited. And like some of them are like hot. Oh, I think like, you know like when you get like a chocolate box for like Valentine's Day and it has
Oh,
like I think it's like that.
Those are bomb. All right,
It's like minty though a little bit.
you know what? I'm gonna grab this one. Fox's favorite. Ooh,
What are they?
Crunch Cream Goldens.
Are they like they're Oreos?
I don't know. It looks like it's
Like oatmeal, maybe like oatmeal cookies.
they're
like.
oat biscuits.
I would
So it's crazy because if I'm not mistaken, it's like y'all don't really call it cookies, right? Y'all call them biscuits.
Well, yeah, like
But
biscuits
so
and
it's like
tea.
oat,
It's
oat cookie flavored, with vanilla flavor and cream. So
it's weird how like, everything's flipped because isn't fries like chips for them?
yeah, I think you guys are chips.
And
right?
then like
yeah,
and then cookies are biscuits, like biscuits and tea.
and they're really
There's
crunchy.
another one. It's
So-
like the core line, I think.
Oh yeah. So yeah.
I wanna look
This
at
is cool. This reminded me. I actually thought like we used to have these. Like I used to eat them a lot. I don't really see them
the
much.
grandmother one.
The Maria cookies. That's what
I love
they were
Maria
circle. But there was
cookies.
another one that they used to have, but they don't make them anymore. But it was crazy. It literally looked like ones that you would have during tea time.
I want to look at these. Ooh, scampi flavored fries.
Dang.
Wait, so it's like
That's like
fries, chips, and chips are fries.
I guess unless
then why
they like
does it
fried
say
fries. Let me
cheese?
see. Oh maybe.
I want to try those.
But they're scampi and lemon.
Ooh, I feel like I would like these.
Yeah. All right. So
Also, like you know, the nutrient facts at the back. Look how different they look.
yeah, they like even
Look at how,
different.
like,
Yeah, we're looking at those because, like, look. So, just I'll give you guys the example of it.
oh yeah.
So here are Funyuns, and I mean, I guess they don't look too off,
And
but
also like look at, cause I'm assuming these are like like when you go for lunch, like your bag of chips with your sandwich. Like
Yeah.
this is like their bag of chips
Yeah.
and sandwich. And look how
but
different
look,
they turned around.
I mean, look, and even the difference, like just the nutrition facts.
yeah, we turn around the Funyuns bag. Like look how different. Like
Yeah.
it's just like it's small.
But yours pretty much has. So look, y'all's chips
and like
go all the way pretty much to the top.
so, like it's kind of even in a
Well,
way. See.
look, this is all air above it. So pretty much, you guys are more honest.
Honestly, yeah.
It doesn't make it look like you guys have more in your bag than actually is. While this looks like a big bag of chips, and it's literally only like that much.
And I guess if you compare it, it's like the same amount. I guess.
yeah, pretty much. So, and I just love the name of it, hula hoops.
I love hula hoops.
So,
What are those ones?
and these are original. So I
Yeah,
don't,
but
I
just the
don't.
wheat
So
ones.
if I had to guess, it probably tastes like our Fritos, which is a banger in
Yeah.
my book. All right, go ahead.
I'm about to take my turn.
Go ahead.
My turn.
Don't handle them.
These like peanuts.
Is it Skips?
Prawn cocktail.
Oh, you're gonna like that. That's like I'm assuming that one's kind of like the shrimp chips.
I
Or the shrimp,
love
yeah.
shrimp chips so much.
So if that's what that is, yeah, that's gonna be a banger.
Okay, there's directions on how to eat it.
Okay, how's the directions?
1. Skips are the perfect light and melty snack. 2. Balance them on your tongue and let them melt in your mouth.
Nah. I wonder if, damn.
You know, this would be good with like soup.
Yeah, that would be pretty good, like soup. But
Oh, also for these ones, I've tried the American version. There's like when it's sugar that I get, and like our ones have like our ones have like powder. I don't know if these are the same thing, but
Yeah.
the ones that we have powder.
we may have to give those ones a try. Not tonight, but
Yeah.
we'll give it to them. All right. Discos.
This goes hula hoops.
And look, this one is salt and vinegar.
More
So
salt and
again, this is more.
So now we have hula hoops on vinegar.
I really like
love salt and vinegar.
salt and vinegar. Like that's probably one of my favorite chips too. But if anyone's gonna like this, it's gonna be Amy. She gonna love this one for sure.
I'm gonna go with the pink one because it's the best color.
This goes.
Why do I keep grabbing prawn cocktail flavors?
Dude, you know what's crazy is that Squish loves like those shrimp chips.
I actually I have
So-
some in the cabinet right now. I love
Yeah,
shrimp chips.
so it's ironic that we don't see the names. It was just like this.
Yeah.
So we're just grabbing colors and she's picked pretty much all
I
of
love
the prawn ones.
like shrimp fish flavored like
Yeah,
snacks.
so that's pretty cool. And then cheese and onion. So again, it's another
Cheers and
banger.
onions.
So thank you so much,
Thank you.
Louise. And again, I know people have asked, and there was one too that I want to thank Courtney and her husband who sent over like a care package of like cosmetic stuff for the girls and a cologne for me that I rock almost every day too. So thank you guys
Thank
for that.
you.
So I appreciate it so much, guys. We love the hauls, especially when they're international. This is our first international box we've actually gotten, so we're pretty amped up. We got some snacks for the weekend, so Squish is running tomorrow, so we have something to, munch on throughout the meets. But you want to go ahead and give that candy bar before we call it quits?
The Biscoff?
Yeah, the biscuit.
I'm like scared to open it. Wait, I think a picture with it first. Hold on.
Yeah,
You need to like pose with it.
I don't think we've seen this one.
They don't. Biscoff is more of a UK thing.
It is, but I mean we've had a lot of Biscoff stuff kind of just pop over around here.
I love Biscoff.
But I've never seen this, so I'm pretty.
And I've heard that the Cadbury eggs taste different in America
Yeah.
than they do in the UK.
So all right, here we go.
Like a proud little mom. Smile with your Biscoff bar. Take one of me now. I want one of the Biscoff.
All right, so we're all sitting there taking pictures of the damn
This is really
Biscoff.
monumental.
So, all right, hold up. Hold on. All right, cool. All right, so we might as well just shoot a short while we're doing it too. So, might as well. See, you guys are catching the behind the scenes stuff of how we do things
Also,
around
I'm
here.
excited to try the discos.
So,
Wait, I don't want to open it. Wait.
I know, unfortunately.
That was really nasty.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Louise.
you.
Yes, all right. We always do things twice. Thank you so much, Louise. Oh my God.
Thank you.
Cadbury Dairy Milk with Biscoff. Whoop.
I'm just tongue twister. I don't know how you said that right now.
I'm a beast like that, man. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna give
Yeah,
this
wait.
bad boy a try. I know, Squish. Sorry, man.
I don't want to, guys. Like I love like new snacks. Like snacks are so satisfying to me. Like I never want to like actually eat them. Like I buy them, but I don't want to eat them.
But you know what's tough about this one though is because we know we can't just go to the store and get another one. You know.
Well, that doesn't mean you have to go to the UK.
Yeah,
and
I
go
guess
to
that's what it means.
And also, I really want to like go like shopping at like all these different like K stores.
All right. So here we go. We're gonna get this. So we're shooting a short right now, but you will get the. So this is what we call. Again, if you're ever wondering how our shorts are done, a lot of the ones that we do that are like a first time thing, it's a one and done. We're either gonna get it on the first shot, or we don't do the short because I can't repackage it and we can't do an initial
It's
first
new.
bite. It is new because it says it right there. So.
Unboxing.
All
I'm
right.
scared.
So do you want to rip it?
Yes.
All right. So start it like this, and then
You didn't start it.
just start. Go. All right, hold on. All right.
So excited.
Brand new Cadbury Biscoff. Look at her. She's not even in frame.
Let me cut it first.
All right. Here. No, just, yeah. All right. Cut
I'll get scissors. I'll bring scissors.
this child. All right. We're going to have to obviously do the short again. So thank you guys. So if you guys are watching this vlog, we're not going to cut anything from it. This is just
Pure vlog.
pure vlog,
That's
straight
ballsy.
through from beginning to
Start
end.
it. Start it.
Well, make sure you put
Oh.
yourself in frame.
I knew that.
Okay. All right, still going.
I'm so excited.
I'm amped. I'm pretty excited, so we're gonna give this
It's not
bad boy a
opening.
try. And of course, leave it to squish. It take forever to open a short because it's no longer gonna be a short, it's gonna be a long. Oh my goodness, child of God. Dude, I thought she was gonna cut it one way.
I did.
You most certainly did not. All right, guys, take 3.
Yeah.
All right, Cadbury Biscoff, straight from the UK, baby. We're gonna do a little snip right there.
I'm so excited. I love Biscoff.
And, ooh, so let's go ahead, give this bad boy a try. Ooh, little melty, because it is a little warm over here in Cali. All right, here we go. Moment of truth.
I'll bite it. Oh. Oh my god.
Yeah,
It's so good.
it's as delicious as you would imagine. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is amazing. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So
Thank you, Louise. Whew. I'm sweaty because I'm super excited. You know, Pudge People promise, man. But that's our haul. Thank you guys so much. Again, if you guys send anything over, something, this is all unique to us. So,
Food.
man, we will do another vlog if we get another haul in some way. But again, thank you guys so very much for vibing with us. We are on the road chasing 30K right now. Please, again, if you've had any of this stuff, please let us know what your favorite is. If there's a certain way you think we should eat it, please let us know as well, because we want to eat it right. We want to do this snacks justice. Oh my goodness. We're going to go ahead and throw this in the freezer, because that's going to make it an even fresher treat when we eat it. But again, guys, thank you guys so much. Drop your comments, share this video, spread the word. You know, we're going to hit 30K soon, so let's chase that 50K together, my friends. Again, if this is the first time you're checking out our little channel, please like, subscribe, comment, do all that stuff the UB2 people say. And we're going to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Bye.